All right, for this green juice, we're going to use kale. I washed it and I just tore it in half. I have 2 celery stalks that I just washed and cut in half. I have a maybe 2-inch piece of ginger. You can use less. This is gonna make it spicy, so half of that is enough if you want. I have a cucumber, which I am cutting in half, and I'm going to just quarter this apple. I'm not even gonna core or seed this apple. The machine will take care of it. This is very refreshing, very delicious, and oh so good for you. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you soon.